Hey there, plant lovers. If you think low light means no flowers indoors, think again. Today, I'm sharing 10 stunning indoor flowering plants that thrive even in low light spots and brighten up your home with their beautiful blooms. Grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. 1. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Let's start with the peace lily, the queen of low light flowering plants. Those elegant white blooms and lush green leaves can instantly lift any dull corner. Plus, it's a natural air purifier. Place it in a shady spot, water when the soil feels dry, and it'll reward you with those signature blooms throughout the year. 2nd, Anthurium, Flamingo flower. Next up, Anthurium, also known as the flamingo flower. With its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and bright red or pink blooms, it adds a tropical touch to your space. It handles low light pretty well. Just keep the soil slightly moist and those colorful blooms will keep coming. 3rd, African violet, Saintpaulia. If you love compact plants, African violets are perfect. They're famous for their fuzzy leaves and adorable purple, pink, or white flowers. These beauties bloom best with indirect or filtered light, making them ideal for tabletops or shelves. Just remember, no water on the leaves. They hate it. 4th, Begonia, Rex and wax begonias. Begonias are another fantastic choice. Whether you go for the colorful blooms or the stunning patterned leaves, they perform well in medium to low light conditions. Give them a little moisture and watch them add charm to your indoor garden. 5th, lipstick plant, Aeschynanthus radicans. Ever heard of the lipstick plant? Its dark green leaves and bright red tubular flowers look like tiny lipsticks popping out. A perfect choice for hanging baskets or high shelves. It doesn't demand much light and looks gorgeous year-round. 6th, Phalaenopsis, orchid, moth orchid. Yes, even orchids can thrive in low light, especially the Phalaenopsis orchid. Known for their long-lasting blooms and elegant look, these orchids need minimal care. Avoid direct sunlight, give them a cozy corner, and enjoy their flowers for months. 7. Clivia, Clivia miniata. Here's a lesser-known beauty, Clivia. This plant produces clusters of bright orange or yellow trumpet-shaped flowers, even in shade. It loves cool temperatures and low light, making it perfect for hallways or north-facing windows. 8. Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera. Up next, the Christmas cactus. This one's a true winter bloomer. Around the holiday season, it bursts into colors like red, pink, and white, right when you need it the most. It thrives in indirect light and needs very little care. 9. Bromeliads, Guzmania. Bromeliads are tropical and colorful, and yes, many varieties bloom in low light. Guzmania bromeliads in particular show off vibrant flower spikes in red, orange, or yellow. They're super low maintenance and perfect for adding a pop of color to your shady corners. 10th, Impatiens, indoor varieties. And finally, Impatiens. Known as busy Lizzies, they're usually outdoor plants, but some varieties grow well indoors too. They love shade and will happily bloom in low light if you keep their soil moist. So, which one of these blooming beauties would you love to add to your indoor jungle? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to know. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your plant-loving friends. It really helps the channel grow. Bonus care tip, general advice. Quick tip. Most flowering plants will bloom less in low light compared to bright spots. But here's the trick. Feed them with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month and maintain consistent watering. With a little care and patience, you'll keep them happy. And yes, those flowers will come. And that's it. 10 of the best indoor flowering plants that thrive in low light. Low light doesn't mean you have to miss out on colors and blooms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep growing, keep blooming.